Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. I request everyone kindly provide your email address and mobile number in the chat room so that you will receive demo video, demo document, which is valuable, which is worthy. Now, yes, please don't unmute. And this is Power BI demo. There are two demo classes. And today is the first demo. Tomorrow is the second demo. Two demo sessions. And what is the agenda? First demo agenda. Second demo agenda. In the first demo, I will give you complete understanding from basics to Microsoft Fabric. Simply data to Microsoft Fabric. I will explain about introduction. And then I will go for this. Coming to second demo. Practical demo. And today it is theoretical demo. And tomorrow practical demo. And you need to practice this part. Friday onwards, regular classes. At 8 a.m. Now coming to session. First demo. Please don't write anything. Just listen to the session. I will show you many graphical screenshots. And provide you good explanation. We are in the creative field, so we need to utilize our creativity. And don't go to academic method, writing small notes or some highlighted points. You write it once the session completed, once after receiving the video. And I will share the same document. I will share the same document in your email. Just go through, take printout and go through. Or read it. whatever you want to do. I will make my time meaningful, your time meaningful. I don't want to write like normal trainers, opening a notepad, typing everything. So this is a graphical component. Nowadays, the market completely changed. Everything moving from BA to AI, artificial intelligence. So we need to grow, not like academic methods. So kindly cooperate me for that. Thank you. Let me start my day. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. I'm working as a BA lead consultant, current working professional, and the course duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily 1 hour is a class duration. Sufficient. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. 2 to 3 hours, not 1 hour. Monday to Friday compulsory classes, Saturday based on the student's interest. I will provide daily live class video, 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. From Friday, we are going to do case studies only. My way of teaching is completely different from others. Friday, we will work on case studies, Friday onwards. And then we go to subject. You will get complete understanding in the first 2-3 case studies. What exactly Power BI has, what we do, everything you learn in the first 2 weeks only. Later subjective learning, I will start. Every batch, same process. Theory and practical material provided, spoon feeding the material. These materials helpful for you to work on. Sir, any prerequisite? No. If you have knowledge on Excel or knowledge on SQL, added advantage. If you don't have knowledge on Excel or SQL, not an issue. I'll be giving you in the class. So simply prerequisites none. Qualification, any graduate can start Power BI. Any graduate. And 2021-22, even undergraduate started Power BI. But now companies are a little strict about our qualifications, so graduation compulsory. Even diploma graduates learn Power BI and got job 21-22. Diploma graduates. And what type of component it is? It is not a coding component. It's a low code component, full support to graphical. And the current training from basics to advanced in a simple but very detailed manner. And after completing this class, you will be in a position my objective. First one, interview FAQs coverage. Second one, detailed subject to work on any kind of project. Any kind of project. Third one, PL 300. There is an exam. Microsoft Power BI certification. 70 to 80% subject coverage. So this is the objective of my session. Pardon? It's a Power BI certification. Your certification of Power BI. So you decided to learn Power BI a very detailed. Definitely, I'm the best trainer in the market, no doubt. I want to know end-to-end Power BI. Yes, because I'm going to spend 2 months. Whatever it has in and out, everything I will explain in the 2 months. So you're suitable for any project. Next. This is done. Second one. What I'm covering in the 2 months. These are environment related components. Project environment. You join always in the data warehousing project, BA project, data modeling projects. So those fundamentals compulsory. So I will cover data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamental, and a basic understanding about SL and GitHub. GitHub is a versioning tool. I will cover that part as well. Projects and case studies. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies I'm covering. In real time, you may work with databases. And that time you require a language knowledge called SQL language and knowledge. I will cover 3 to 4 hour SQL, but this is not sufficient if you want to work in the real time. But these 3 to 4 hours to help you, how do we come to databases? How do we work on it? What are the things we work on it? Just to let you know. But my recommendation, learn complete SQL, either in our institute or outside. So you will get overall understanding about SQL. Okay, this is what it will do. And then prioritize 9 topics. Only 9 topics sufficient. So in real-time working perspective, interview perspective, 9 topics of SQL sufficient. It does not mean you directly go to 9 topics and learn. Unless you get complete understanding about SQL, you cannot go to these topics. And some companies working on database cubes. I'll give you cube understanding for 2 hours, compulsory session. And for your job trials, a very good resume preparation required, FAQs required, mock interviews required. Yes. So these are the things related to project we are covering. And coming to subject, I told you very detailed subject. So we are covering cloud components. We are covering on-premises components. What is cloud? What is on-premises? I will tell you in a couple of minutes. And also I will give you Power Apps and Power Automate understanding 4 hours. These two for 4 hours. So this is a detailed subject we are covering for next 2 months. This is one of the reasons why my students are able to excel in the interviews. So whatever job market level, opportunity level, you find the terminology, the same terminology I use here. This content is specially designed based on the job market. And I keep on change according to the market. And if you go to my old videos, demo videos, 4 months ago, 6 months ago in the YouTube, the content is different. And current content is different, always based on the market. Right. Okay, I learn Power BI from you, fine. What are the opportunities I'm suitable for? So theory, practical material, I will provide you. And the training is complete practical under training. And you will be having good interaction with me during the classes.
8:30 అయితే కదా పండుకొని.
FAQ is also discussed in the classroom. Live class videos anyway we will share. Resume preparation we will help. One WhatsApp group is created with full updates. I will show you these two. live class video and WhatsApp group, kindly look into. People purchasing videos also from our institute. Let me show you guys. Whether you attend or not, you will receive class video. Let me take 9 a.m. batch or 8 a.m. previous batch, 8 a.m. April. This was the previous batch just before your batch. This was a folder created. Folder level, this is the content available. All videos in this area. Lab backup practice files in this area. Materials in this area. Interview questions in this area. Checklist here. SQL topics, what we need to focus. Interview guidance topics. And when you click on these videos, day-wise videos available, day-wise, everyday video. So complex tasks for interviews, Azure sessions, GitHub practice, Power BI projects and FAQs. I covered 2 projects. What are the projects I promised to you? The same with video documentation. So this is documentation and these are videos. 3 sessions I took. Interview project explanation. This is project 2. Similarly, project 1. For every batch, we'll conduct sessions like this. So Azure connectivity. So GitHub and Azure, all these sessions I conducted for these people. Resume preparation, interview guidance, FAQs. Resume preparation. I will provide set of resumes like this. Good formatted resumes. So whatever you need for job trials and to work happily in the organization, everything will provide you. But only one thing, you require a lot of patience to attend all the sessions because 2 months duration. And if you see YouTube videos, within 2 hours Power BI, within 6 hours Power BI, within 20 days Power BI, those kind of videos you see, then you frustrate. But if you want to enjoy the detailed subject, yes, you require. So this is video. Coming to class updates. So for every batch, take just 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, 7 p.m. Last night I took the session. For every batch, we'll mention like this. So day video plays, and this is the content. So day video plays. In case any screenshot I can share, I will share. So a proper communication available in the WhatsApp group. We follow complete systematic approach. Even you are absent, you can easily identify what content covered on the day. You'll be notified with a message, video plays for so-and-so, and this is a concept covered. So a clear video process, WhatsApp approach, you will find it. And after completing this course, you will be in a position, Power BI developer plus DAX and SQL. This combination you can try. 90% opportunities in this combination, happily you can try. Power BI admin responsibilities also I cover. 90% admin responsibilities I cover. One component not possible because premium capacity account is required. Except that 90% I cover. Support resource I will cover. These are the 3 major roles we play in the real time. Those 3 I cover. But you are an MSBA resource, Tableau resource, Azure resource, Synapse resource. This combination also you can try. this combination also. So below 5 years, confidently you can keep in Power BI and try on these opportunities. For more than 5 years, you need to try like a modeler, designer, specialist, etc. roles for more than 5. But it is not possible with this course because 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge you need to gather to try for these opportunities. So Power BI having modeler role, designer role, a BA specialist role opportunities in the market. So in case you're expecting huge career in Power BI, yes, these are the latter roles once you gain experience. So my friend is working in Power BI designing side, and he's drawing more than 70 lakh. He's a BA designer per annum in India. Even my colleagues here in this institute, colleagues, they're also 1 or 2 people working in these roles due to their experience, 15, 16, 17 years experience. So you are expecting high remuneration, possible. But for this, at least 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge is required. So my course is good enough if you want to try less than 5 years. So I covered my introduction, what we provide, opportunities, and subject. This is covered last few minutes. Now I'm going to demo theory, where I will start from data to Microsoft Fabric. Hierarchy, very important, comma, without knowing this, starting BI career is meaningless. So this is a part I'm going to cover. Till 9:10, session will continue. Thereon, FAQs. Right. So this is hierarchy you are supposed to learn. Data to Microsoft Fabric. In IT level, everything starts with data. Data. Later, somewhere BA application. But BA application is BA application is one kind of IT application. Power BI is a BA application. Power Platform having Power BI. And recently, Microsoft announced Fabric. Now Power BI under Fabric. Power BI is not a standalone component. Now it is under Fabric. This hierarchy and evolution you are supposed to know, listen to it. Very, very important. Anything you are able to store is called data. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are all working with 3 types of data. First one, structured data, table data, Excel data. See this? ID, name, age, degree, column by column available. It is called structured storage. Semi-structured. So JSON is one kind of file, JavaScript object notation, XML is one kind of file where we have semi-structured data like this. So this is metadata, university, student ID, or structure about data. And this is data. 1 John 18 BSc, 2 David A's PhD. It's not fully structured like this. Some additional data also available. This is called metadata. These kind of files are called semi-structured. And if you go to social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, PDF, Word, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, these come under unstructured. Like this, no structure. We never follow any structure while drafting an email. We never follow any structure while typing in WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram. So these are all come under unstructured. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on 3 types of data. In the regular class, we'll see working on all these types of data. Not only files, we work on table, we work on cubes, we work on web data, multiple social media data as well. And Power BI is the only BI tool in the market which support all types of data. That is the most beautiful point. Fine, 3 types of data, fine. But what are the formats the data will be stored? First one, file format. Second one, database format. So some companies keeping this data in files, some companies keeping the data in databases, database tables. Okay, 2 formats, fine. But where do we store it? Some companies' files and databases they are keeping in on-premises. On-premises meaning within the company they're maintaining servers and placing files and databases. If you keep your data in a local laptop level, that is on-premises. And companies moving the files data and database data to somebody else storage, that is called cloud. And nowadays we are mapping our laptop data to OneDrive, laptop data to Google Drive. That is cloud. And we all people knowingly or unknowingly working on cloud. Firstly, we will keep our mobile images, mobile videos in our mobile device level. And we take backup into Google, we take backup into Apple, we take backup into Samsung, weekly ones, monthly ones. That is a cloud. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on premises and cloud. The terms may be new, but we are working on both. So in IT industry, 3 types of data available, 2 formats the data stored, and 2 storages available, on-premises and cloud. Next, IT applications. Any IT application will use data only. And we have 2 major IT applications. 1, business running IT application. 2, business analysis IT application. Majorly, you heard about Java, .NET, Python, SAP, mainframe, and many applications. They fall under 2 categories. One for running the business, second one for analyzing the business. And technically, business running applications are called OLTP applications, online transaction processing application. Example, IRCTC. If your booking completed, you will get a message, transaction successful. Your booking failed, you will get a message, transaction failed. That is OLTP. So IRCTC ticket booking, Book My Show ticket booking, or online transfer, money transfer. Once it is completed, you will receive a message, transaction successful, transaction ID. Even PhonePe, GPay, successful, you will get a message, transaction ID. So those all applications come under OLTP applications technically, but in general, business running applications. Okay. Second, when you book a train ticket or movie ticket, the information will be like this: PNR number, amount, number of passengers, starting date, end date, train number. This kind of information will be stored. If you book a train ticket now, a Tatkal ticket now, this is the information stored. But how? Take general public, we are the people. Use forms, maybe web level, We'll open a browser and type irctc.co.in, book a ticket by using form. Mobile app level and the app level also form displayed. We enter the form details and finally the ticket will be booked. Even desktop level, if you go to ticket counters, the respective people will open a form and other details, and those details will be stored under a database, and that is transactional database, because your transactions available here, your booking transactions available, so this is called transactional database. So general public use 3 platforms and enter the details in the forms, finally data stored in the transaction storage. Got clarity? But this data is not suitable for management analysis. They always want like this. Today's today's booking, trains having highest seats confirmation, the trains not having any seats confirmation, Tatkal versus normal tickets booking. So this kind of data they need from this data. This way transactions happen, but from this they need this kind of data. And this data is called analytical data. This data is called business intelligence data. And this data is called decision-making data. All 3 words indicate same: analytical, decision-making, business intelligence. But how do we show this data? In the form of report or dashboard like this. How many platforms? Again, web platform, desktop platform, mobile platform, 3 platforms. So day-to-day people use forms and management team use reports and dashboards. Platform same. And day-to-day people information like this and management information like this. But we will not store directly this from here. We follow a process called analytical process, OLAP process. Some people also call it as a BI process, business intelligence process. And they create BI storages or analytical storages from their BI information. So this is the area you guys participate in the BI projects in the real time. You get transactional data or business data or any data, you implement BI process, and finally BI data you provide to the management team in the form of report and dashboard. So what is your objective in the company? Generating a report and dashboard. What you do? BI process by using BI tool. The BI tool could be anything: Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, MSBI, it could be anything. But your objective, BI process implementation and creating reports and dashboards. Understood? Now, so you will generate this kind of information. Then what is BI process? What is report? First of all, BI, business intelligence. Intelligence to the business. Yes, decision-making data or analysis data or analytical data is always intelligent data of the business. Decision-making, analytical data is intelligent data. We call a person as an intelligent when if he is able to take decisions properly, if he is able to answer in a decision-making way, then we call him as intelligent person. The same way, business intelligence indicate decision-making or analytical information of the business. And here the input is data, BA level. It could be any data, any format, anywhere. Output is a report or dashboard. Sir, what is the difference between report and dashboard? Report, it will talk about detailed data. And report is for individual operation. So report for detailed data, report for individual operation. And a company may have multiple reports like this. Detailed data, you will see. But high level data you are showing. And multiple reports data you are showing, multiple reports. and that is dashboard. So report for detailed data, individual operation, set of operations and high level data regarding a business or functionality. If you show, that is a dashboard. Like this high level values you have. So you guys going to create in detailed data presentation component or high level data presentation component. Got clarity? So if you want to write it, when will you write it? All these parts. Clear. Now, but how do we convert? Try to understand a detailed picture. Don't feel panic by listening to the terms. After joining to the classes, daily we discuss the same terminology, same process. So you feel comfortable from third day or fourth day. Daily same terminology. If you are new to IT, you may feel like what is sir explaining today. But after 2 days, you feel very bored. Same part. So general public, they use these platforms. And the data is transactional data. And this is management team, right-hand side. They need information in these platforms. That is BA data, business intelligence data. But mostly the BA data in the form of reports and dashboards. But how come this transactional data converted to BA data? First one, mostly data in the files and databases only, I told you. So the data, transactional data, this is a layer you need to use and move into second layer. Once second layer completed, move to third layer. Once third layer completed, move to fourth layer. So these are the 4 layers required. In the first layer, we will get the data, that is called extraction. The second layer, yes, if you want to analyze the data, first of all, you need to get the data. If the data is not proper, we need to change the data. And then we need to move to some another storage to perform operations. So extract, transform, load. So that it will be loaded to warehouse, huge storage area. Daily data, if you keep, it looks very huge. So those are called huge storages or warehouses. Terabytes to petabytes of data available, more and more data. Last 2 years data, last 5 years data, last 10 years data, if you keep in a place, that is called huge storage area. In this area, Teradata, Oracle, DB2, these kind of databases we use. And Informatica, DataStage, Ab initio, these kind of tools we use. See, I'm going to a wonderful picture now. From this, I'm going to derive something beautiful. So ETL layer companies use to move to warehouse. More data available. But complete data we don't use for analysis. We take required data. On the required data, what are the aggregates, analytic operations we need to perform, we'll perform. Like sum, average, top, bottom, all the calculations in this area, separate storage. Finally, that separate storage we use in the reporting level to generate reports and dashboards. And these reports and dashboards provided in a user-friendly way to the management team. So these are the 4 layers required to convert your normal data into BA data. It's not possible directly to convert. So we drink rainwater. Am I right or wrong? But do you drink directly? We don't drink seawater, only rainwater. But how do you drink it? Multiple purification layers, multiple filters, and finally we use it. The same way here, these are the multiple filters or supporting layers before actual data. But there is a problem. This approach given 90s. If any company want to use till 2005, see the important point, 90 to 2005. Compulsory, they need to purchase one tool, one warehouse, one report, one cube, one reporting. multiple tools they need to purchase, multiple resources they need to recruit, multiple setups they need to maintain. Very complex approach, but still MNC is not compromised. They used it. Yes, we need it. We're able to spend the money. They recruited, they maintained setups. So 90 to 2005, this was the process. So one company decided, why don't we give a component where all possible in the single area? That is MSBA, which is from the Microsoft. Understood? What is MSBA? MSBA is the first BA product from the Microsoft with end-to-end solution. So this MSBA having one tool called SSIS, another tool called T2, tool 2, SSAS, one more tool called SSRS, T3, tool 3. 1, 2, 3. These three tools combination is MSBA. So we call it as a suite. And also it is doing end-to-end operation, end-to-end operation. So we call it as a self-service BA suite. Self-service. End-to-end, if we do anything, then we call it as a self-service. So BA operation is doing end-to-end, so we call it as a self-service BA suite. Sir, what is the full form of SSIS? SQL Server Integration Services. SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services. SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. Understood? Okay, sir, if MSBA is good with all these tools, then why Power BI? Why Power BI? Even you heard about Azure BA. Azure BA also from Microsoft. Then why Azure BA? Those question answers first you need to know. If you go to interview, the technical resource will ask the same question. In case the technical resource skip HR round or management round, they will ask the same question. Hey, MSBA is then why Power BI? Already customer using so and so BA, why Azure BA? That answers I'm going to give you now. Right. Legacy, very old, 90s approach, multiple tools, multiple setups, everything multiple required. But MSBA, one suite sufficient end-to-end. And it is having versions. The first release 2005. And they took 3 years of gap and 8. Later 8 are 2, 12, 14, 16, 17. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version. This is a point you need to remember. And Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BI. Someone asked me a question, Power BI not having market. Now I'm addressing. Microsoft is a leader in the analytics and BI. Ignore about BI. Analytics and BI for the last 16 years. Because of MSBA, 2008 onwards, Microsoft is the leader. MSBA brought the leadership, now Power BI continuing it. Sir, how do I believe your statement? Yes, this is the see the statistics. Gartner is a very famous organization who rate IT applications. They clearly said Microsoft named a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platforms. Microsoft is a leader. And read one more point. Today we are announcing that 15th consecutive year Microsoft positioned as a leader, not 1 to 15th consecutive year. See guys, this was a little old link, but 15th consecutive year, Microsoft leader. So do you have life or not? Definitely you have life. Microsoft is a leader. If leader does not have market, what about others? This is Gartner. Even if you go to Forrester Wave, one more organization, they also said the same thing. Everyone said Microsoft is a leader. Now question, sir, if Microsoft is a leader, even I will show you one more. See the market. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. And this is a little old link. See, in 2021, Microsoft Power BI occupied 36%. 21. 22, Power BI market 42%. That means if you have 100 BI projects, 42 BI projects are in Power BI. Not a normal number. Tableau, ClickView, ClickSense, these are all later. So Microsoft is a leader in the BI. That is a major reason maximum companies using Power BI, MSBI components. These two links I will give you. After finishing the demo, go to the links and read the content. You'll get more knowledge. Don't ask anyone. Run behind statistics. Don't believe your friends. They don't know about the market. Whatever they see, they will convey. It does not mean it is perfect. Now you can ask me a question. Sir, if MSBA brought the leadership and good, then why Power BI? Am I right? Right. The same question I mentioned here. Why was Power BI created when MSBA already available and brought the leadership? So MSBA released MSBA released in 2005, but the architecture, the components, the capability with before market 2004. IT market before 2004, whatever available based on the 2005 MSBA released. Facebook released in 2004. Instagram and Google is very popular after 2005 only. And you have apps, mobile and tab apps, we are using from 2008. You are having cloud storage from 2006. So everything after 2004. Everything. So this is a major drawback with MSBA. But still MSBA good with on-premises solution. MSBA good on-premises suite. No mobile and tab friendly operations in the MSBA level. And data sources also, only on-premises sources, that will limited sources. MSBA report you want to place in the Facebook level, Twitter level, other areas not possible. Yeah, that is called embedding. Embedding not possible. MSBA reports you cannot place in Facebook, Twitter, other areas. Compulsory average coding we need to write. And the visuals also, very basic visuals. And every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version. But now the market is completely changing, drastically changing. Everyone using cloud. And for every operation, we're using mobile and tab app. And many more. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release one more BA component with a new, fresh architecture, which is suitable to the current market. That is Power BI. Power BI, adding power to the existing BI, first definition. For the existing BI, they added more power. So what is that power? Cloud available, on-premises available. So you can keep in Microsoft level and you can go to on-premises. And no need of multiple tools. One application sufficient, that is self-service BI application to perform end-to-end operations in Power BI. Sir, how come, sir, one application? It is having multiple concepts. So Power BI is single application having multiple concepts to perform end-to-end operations. And it is full support to mobile and tab-friendly operations. All types of sources Power BI support. Cloud sources, on-premises sources. And you want to place Power BI report in Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, possible. And no need to write much code. Low code is sufficient. Very less code we write in Power BI. Report visuals, very strong. So equivalent feature I wrote. And not like 2 to 3 years. Every month we have an update in Power BI, monthly update. The first BA component in the market with monthly update is Power BI. So it is tracking the market, identifying the market changes, immediately releasing it. This is a major reason why people using Power BI. These many feature support not available in the Tableau level, ClickView level, many other level. So Power BI announced in July 2013. From there, every month we have an update. Every month. And I will go back one step. See this. MSBI is a suite with tool 1, tool 2, tool 3. Power BI is not a suite, single application, where we have one concept. Concept 1, Power Query to do this operation. Concept 2, Power Pivot to do these operations. Concept 3, Power View reporting to do these operations. So multiple tools to single application, single suite to single application now. So no need to purchase multiple tools like IS, AS, RS. No need to purchase multiple tools like this. Single Power BI application perform the required things for you and generate a BA report. Understand everyone? That's why people call Power BI a single line definition like this. Some people say adding power to existing BI. Some people say it's a low code application with a cloud and on-premises support, self-service BI application which generate reports and dashboards from data. So Power BI is low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI application. Self-service BI means end-to-end it can do. It will take the data and generate BI data by using concepts. That's why we call it as self-service. And finally, for reports and dashboards. Read the definitions given by different scientists. Right. So with the given spirit of Power BI, companies liked it mostly. They started using. You don't know, 2023 market is little down, not for Power BI. IT is down 2023, but 19, not 19 actually, 17 to 22, it ruled the rest. Wonderful market for Power BI. Wonderful, extremely good. 17, 18 also really good. Microsoft seen very good growth. That's the reason they decided, okay, why don't we release set of low code components like that? That made Microsoft releasing Power Platform. Now we are entering into Power Platform. Power BI done. Generate reports and dashboards with self-service BA process. Now Power Platform. With the given spirit of low code Power BI, Microsoft decided set of low code components for different operations. The first one is Power BI. From 2019, Power BI, this is from 19. From 2019, Power BI under Power Platform. A low code component for reports and dashboards generation. Second low code component, Power Apps. A low code component to create mobile tab friendly apps. Third low code component, Power Automate. This is to perform RPA, robotic process automation. Fourth low code component in chatbots. When you open a website, when you open a mobile app, in the right hand side, you will find a icon and message, how may I assist you? That is chatbot. Without writing much code, you want to create chatbots or mobile apps, even web pages, websites. You started a new company and you need a website. Without writing much code, you want to create a website or web pages. Many templates available directly, you can use it. That is Power Pages. These 5 components combination is Power Platform. And Microsoft thought companies will use Power Platform a lot. But companies are using Power BI separately, Power Apps separately, Automate separately, or this combination separately. But no one is using this combination or these combinations. They noticed. And companies are looking forward one reporting component strongly, one analytical component strongly, one data gathering component strongly. So they need to notice. And now in 2022 June, they given Fabric. So this is 2013. and this is 2019, and this is 2022 June. Microsoft Fabric, where Power BI for reporting. This is for reporting. Where Data Factory, Azure Data Factory for data engineering. Synapse, data store, analytics, data science, AI operations. Data activator, data monitoring. Now Microsoft Fabric having these components. And after 2 months, after 3 months, after 6 months, you find opportunities, Fabric developers required, Fabric support people required, or Power BI Fabric required. This is a terminology. So according to the market, Microsoft also changing. This is last month released Fabric. Now Power BI under Fabric for reporting service or reporting operations. Got clarity? So this is the evolution of data to Fabric. Conclusion, we have 3 types of data, 2 types of format, 2 types of storage. And IT applications majorly 2 types, transactional, analytical. We belong to analytical process. So BA applications implement BA process, convert normal data into business intelligence data and present in the form of reports and dashboards. And Power BI is a modern BA with all types of features, cloud, on-premises, mobile tab friendly, embedding feature, and many more. And Power Platform is a low-code platform inspired from Power BI low code. And Microsoft Fabric is a modern fabric. It's a combination of reporting, data engineering, data storing, analytics. And coming to tomorrow I will explain how Power BI convert your normal data into decision-making data easily. So we will create a report like this tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Now I'm going to this. I completed this part. Yes. So whatever I decided, this is completed. And tomorrow, practical demo. Once again, I will explain you what all I'm going to cover. I'm going to cover next 2 months project concepts. These are all the project concepts with the warehousing modeling fundamental to near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Database knowledge 3 to 4 hours, cube knowledge 2 hours, resume preparation, FAQs and mock interviews. Power BI level cloud components I'm covering, on-premises components I'm covering, Power Apps and Power Automate 4 hours I'm covering. This is what next 2 months I'm covering with full-fledged material, practical material, live class video, etc. After completing the course, you will be in a position to try in these opportunities. Any graduate can learn, no prerequisite. And this is fully graphical supportive component with low code, no need to write much code. And the duration for the course 2 months, daily 1 hour is a session. This is my contact number. In case you have any questions or queries, you can talk to me. And one more also I want to tell you, stay tuned for a moment. So kindly call me on these timings if you want to discuss about your personal profile. Don't discuss your profile here, except generic questions. So we also having one more, only projects training and interview preparation. But the timing is different. The course agenda is different. Here, no training actually, no training. But we'll make the projects happen with your hands. We'll help you in the resume in hand, and we'll conduct mock interviews and many more stuff. This is also available for the people who already completed Power BI in other institutes or in our institute. a separate training method available here. So from this, you can directly go to interviews because we'll take multiple mark interviews and all. But current training, purely for the people who want to try in the market and work happily in the companies. If you are preparing for PL 300 exam, possible. Interview FAQ is also covered. Resume preparation and all, I will help. But still some people saying, sir, we want to do more projects in hand by sitting at office. And we want your help completely in the resume and interview, mock interviews conduction and making us perfect. We'll sit in the classroom. For those people, the second option. But with my classes, happily you can face it. No need to go to the second one. Because nowadays coming from different institutions and asking us those support. That's the reason we started 3 months ago. That is for the people who already completed Power BI, not for the freshers. All right, hoping you got what I'm going to explain, how I'm going to explain. Slowly we will start. Tomorrow, second demo. Friday onwards, basics. First, case studies we'll implement, 5 case studies. And then we go to subjective learning. Subject. This is my process. First demo theory, second demo practical, Friday onwards basics, case studies, subjective learning. Thank you all, and I'm done for the day. Kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in case not provided. And you can take your mic and ask your questions now. I will address everyone questions now.